In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build the perfect Notion habit tracker. So let's jump right in and get your habits organized seamlessly. First things first, you'll need to log into your Notion account. If you're not familiar with Notion, it's a powerful tool for organizing your life digitally. Once you're logged in, we'll start by creating a new page. Simply click on the New Page button, which you can easily find in the left-hand sidebar of your Notion dashboard. Now that you have a fresh new page at your disposal, let's give it a meaningful name. How about we call it Habit Tracker? This name captures its purpose beautifully, making it easier to identify among all your other pages. A name like Habit Tracker instantly tells you what's inside, ensuring you can access it quickly and effortlessly whenever you need to update or review your progress. Next, it's time to create your database. Type in Wash Table View, which will set the stage for building a flexible and interactive habit tracker. This table view is where we'll organize all the information you're going to track. It's a super practical way to visualize your habits and progress over time. Now, for your next task, you'll want to set up your columns. The structure of your table is crucial, as it needs to accommodate all the data you're planning to keep track of. For the habit tracking purpose, consider having several columns. For instance, one labeled with each day of the week or any other time frame you wish to review your habits over. Speaking of habits, let's add some specific columns for each one you want to monitor. Use the checkbox column type, as it offers a straightforward visual cue for completion. For each habit you're tracking, be it daily exercise, meditation, reading, or anything else that contributes to your well-being, apply a separate checkbox column. You'll love how satisfying it is to tick boxes as you accomplish your goals each day. To make your tracker visually appealing and ensure key information stands out at a glance, you'll want to modify colors. Head over to the settings in your Notion page, then navigate to Conditional Color. Here, you can choose colors that indicate habit completion or remain incomplete, providing immediate visual feedback, perhaps a vibrant green for completed habits and a softer red or gray for those yet to be achieved. This simple color coding can significantly enhance your productivity by making it easier to see where you stand. And there you have it. You've built a custom functional habit tracker in Notion designed to keep you motivated and organized on your journey towards self-improvement. This personalized tool can be a game changer in sticking to good habits, so give it a try and watch your consistency skyrocket.